If you think you don't like chicken, it's probably because you haven't tried it like this yet. This is my favorite stuffed chicken recipe, and I make it twice a week. It's that good. Start by cutting 2 chicken breasts in half, then season with salt, black pepper, paprika, and oregano. Drizzle with olive oil and rub it in so the flavor gets into the meat. Set that aside. Now slice about 200 grams of cheese and 1 tomato. Stuff each chicken piece with the cheese and tomato, then fold it closed. Make a few small cuts on top of the chicken to help it cook better, and season the top again just like before. Brush on a little more olive oil. Place the chicken in an oiled baking dish and bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, about 390 degrees Fahrenheit, for 50 minutes. When it's done, it'll be juicy, full of flavor, and look amazing on the plate. Try it for dinner or a weekend meal. Everyone will love it.